Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our today's first word is whoever. For whoever in Gujarati we say કોઈ પણ, કોઈ પણ, or you can say કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ. For person, for any person in Gujarati we have word is વ્યક્તિ. Okay, so that said whoever, either you can say કોઈ પણ or કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ. Then whenever, in Gujarati you can say જ્યારે પણ. Whenever, in Gujarati you can say જ્યારે પણ. Whatever, in Gujarati you can say કંઈ પણ. Whatever, in Gujarati you can say કંઈ પણ. Okay, wherever, for wherever in Gujarati you can say જ્યાં પણ. Okay, I am repeating, whoever, કોઈ પણ or કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ. Whenever, જ્યારે પણ. Whatever, કંઈ પણ. Whatever, કંઈ પણ. Wherever, જ્યાં પણ. Alright, now let us see the sentences of each words one by one. So, as you know, we have already trained our ChatGPT to give us sentences based on the words we submit. So, our first word is whoever, which means કોઈ પણ. Okay, whoever means કોઈ પણ. Let us see. So here you go. We got the first sentence is whoever comes first will win. So in Gujarati we say કોઈ પણ પહેલા આવશે તે જીતી જશે. So in this sentence, as we know, whoever, it means કોઈ પણ. Okay, will come first, you know, it means પહેલા આવશે તે જીતી જશે. Will win. Okay, now I am explaining whoever in Gujarati we say કોઈ પણ. Okay, first will means પહેલા આવશે. For first in Gujarati we say પહેલા. For first in Gujarati we say પહેલા. If you see, when I am speaking I am adding h, પહેલા. Okay, પહેલા. But when you are writing you can write પહેલા. Okay, પહેલા. So this is how it's actually pronounced. But when we'll see Gujarati writing practice, then you will come to know. તે જીતી જશે or તે જીતશે. Will win. For win or winning in Gujarati we say જીતશે. Okay, for will win Gujarati you can say જીતશે. Okay, તે means we are pointing that person. Te means we are pointing that person. That is why. Okay, so this is very small and beautiful sentence. Now let's go to another sentence. The meaning is whenever. Okay, and the meaning of whenever is જ્યારે પણ. Okay, whenever, જ્યારે પણ. So this is how you can say our sentence is whenever you call I will answer. Okay, whenever you call I will answer. In Gujarati we can say sorry, ઓકે, જ્યારે પણ, so for whenever, Gujarati we know our word is જ્યારે પણ તમે ફોન કરશો, ઓકે, તમે ફોન કરશો means whenever you will call, હું જવાબ આપીશ, I will answer. જ્યારે પણ, whenever you will call, I will answer. હું જવાબ આપીશ. So in this sentence if you see, whenever simply you can say જ્યારે પણ, whenever simply you can say જ્યારે પણ તમે ફોન કરશો. You know, તમે, for you in Gujarati we say તમે. For you in Gujarati we say તમે. Will call means phone કરશો. So for call, okay, and that કરશો means that is action. I am doing call, so હું ફોન કરું છું, so that કરશો it is action. I am calling. So તમે, you means તમે, and will call means phone કરશો. હું જવાબ આપીશ. So to answer in Gujarati we say જવાબ આપવો. To answer in Gujarati we say જવાબ આપવો. Answer means જવાબ, and to finish or to do that act we can say આપીશ. હું answer આપીશ. હું જવાબ આપીશ. Okay, હું જવાબ. For I in Gujarati we say હું. That's it. The complete sentence will be જ્યારે પણ તમે ફોન કરશો હું જવાબ આપીશ. જ્યારે પણ તમે ફોન કરશો હું જવાબ આપીશ. So this is how you can say. The very next sentence is whatever. Whatever. For whatever in Gujarati we say કંઈ પણ. For whatever in Gujarati we say કંઈ પણ. So our sentence is fresh, ready. Now here if you see, you can eat whatever you like. So this is our sentence. You can eat whatever you like. તમે કંઈ પણ ખાઈ શકો છો જે તમને ગમે. ઓકે, તમે કંઈ પણ ખાઈ શકો છો જે તમને ગમે. So let's break down this sentence. તમે. So for you in Gujarati we say તમે. કંઈ પણ means whatever. કંઈ પણ means whatever. ખાઈ શકો છો. Okay, it means you can eat. જે ગમે એ. So here actually this is related to this. So again it will be something like this. જે ગમે તે, whatever you like, or because this is already comes under કંઈ પણ, but the the complete meaning throughout the sentence જે ગમે તે, again it's related to whatever you like. This is how actually we pronounce in Gujarati. Now let me repeat for you. તમે કંઈ પણ ખાઈ શકો છો જે તમને ગમે. Okay, whatever you like. For you in Gujarati we say તમે. Okay, now as I told you earlier, for you there will be two things, તમે or tu, but it's depend how or for whom you are talking. If it is a person whom you have to give respect or formal, that time you have to use તમે. For example, my parents, my uncle, aunt, that time I have to use તમે. But if it is my friends, cousin, someone, I can simply use tu. All right, so for you can either say tame or tu, as I said. Whatever, we can simply say kai પણ. Okay, and you can eat. ખાઈ શકો છો. To eat in Gujarati we say ખાવું. Okay, and that particular action ખાઈ શકો છો. Okay, this is you can eat means can represent શકો છો. જે ગમે તે means whatever you like. For like in Gujarati we say ગમવું. That's why ગમે છે. For like in Gujarati we say ગમવું. That's why ગમે છે. જે તમને, તમને means again you. I am pointing out someone saying જે તમને ગમે તે. So again તમને or તને. તમને when we have to give respect and તને informally. Okay, so this is how our sentence is. તમે કઈ પણ ખાઈ શકો છો જે તમને ગમે. You can eat whatever you like. તમે કઈ પણ ખાઈ શકો છો જે તમને ગમે તે. Our next word is wherever. Wherever. For wherever in Gujarati we say જ્યાં પણ. For wherever in Gujarati we say જ્યાં પણ. So our fresh sentence is ready. Wherever he goes, he smiles. એ જ્યાં પણ જાય છે હસે છે or smile કરે છે. Both you can say. હે જ્યાં પણ જાય છે. A means I am pointing out. For example, he or she, whatever. But if I want to pointing out someone just with while talking or like this simply, we can simply use a word. A જ્યાં પણ, wherever. Okay, because here we are talking about some place or something. Wherever he goes. જાય છે means he goes. હસે છે. He smiles. For smiles in Gujarati we say હસવું. And to act that particular action હસે છે. એ જ્યાં પણ જાય છે હસે છે. He wherever. Okay, for wherever in Gujarati we say જ્યાં પણ. Okay, જાય છે means he is going somewhere. That's why for goes in Gujarati we say જાય છે. For goes in Gujarati we say જાય છે. And for smiles in Gujarati we say હસવું. That said, for this sentence, for this particular action, for smiles we say હસે છે. એ જ્યાં પણ means wherever goes જાય છે હસે છે. So the complete sentence will be a જ્યાં પણ જાય છે હસે છે. Okay, હસે છે. Wherever he goes he smiles. એ જ્યાં પણ જાય છે હસે છે. Alright my dear friends, so this is all about our today's session. We'll meet again with a new video. Till then, learn Gujarati, watch my complete video, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, kindly subscribe it so you will get daily update. Thank you again. Take care, bye bye, and Jai Shri Krishna.